Hey everyone, it's David Nielsen here with Platinum Idaho at Silver Creek Realty, here to share with you our newest listing on the West Boise Bench, 8801 West Fircrest Drive. So this property sits on a beautiful corner lot here, mature landscaping throughout, and is in a great location. You can access this really easily just coming off of Chinden Boulevard. You can get out quickly to Eagle Road, quickly to downtown, hop over to Curtis, get on the connector. So in terms of location, it's really central and it's a quiet neighborhood. It's literally just minutes from if you're familiar with it, the Hyatt Hidden Lakes Reserve, which is just a short walk that way, a short walk to the west, and you're down in this great little section reserve area with natural wildlife and walking paths, etc. So anyway, great location. I love the house itself and the exterior curb appeal. You can just see the big beams and the covered patio, covered front patio. It really has a nice curb appeal. And what you're going to love about it is the entire home has been completely remodeled on the inside, so updated throughout, brand new carpet, flooring, interior, exterior paint, fixtures, etc. It really has a nice feel and a nice flow. So let's step inside and we'll check it out. Again, as I mentioned, you've got a really great curb appeal with this stately entrance as you come in the home. Love the blue door, really nice accent color. So let's step inside and we'll start with the upstairs. So again, hardwood stairs, and then we've got luxury vinyl plank on the floors throughout the entire main level. But this is, as you step upstairs, you come in here to the kitchen area, and nice bright kitchen, updated cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, quartz stone countertops, very light gray neutral paint. It really has everything that you're looking for at those modern finishes. And I absolutely love the backsplash here. So you've got kind of like that fluted texture on the backsplash, which is really nice. And the really cool thing I love about this home is how it opens up into the kitchen, or into the dining room and into the living room. And the living room's got this fireplace surrounded with a really intricate mantle here. So it looks very almost colonial-like, but with the white modern finishes. And then of course you have the black hearth there and a real wood burning fireplace there. One of the things I really love about this home is everywhere you look, literally out of every window, all you see are trees. And so it's got a lot of natural light, but there's just greenery throughout every window. Here off to the kitchen, we've got the dining area. There's plenty of space here for just a regular rectangular table, or if you had family over for the holidays, you could even put two tables side by side. There's no lack of space in the dining room. And this is really cool. What they had done years ago is enclosed this sunroom area. So it's just additional square footage. Could be used as a little office, could be enclosed if you wanted, could be used as extra seating. Of course, if you have family or friends over and you want to entertain, could have like a little buffet bar, whatever, but it's a great extra space to the house upstairs. Let me show you down here to the bedrooms, and then we'll step outside on the balcony and check that out. But you've got, nice linen, or nice, your coat storage here in this closet. And then, as I mentioned, we've got the luxury vinyl plank all on the main floors, or on the flooring down here, so the high traffic areas aren't going to be overworked. First off, to your right, as you come down the hallway, is the main bath. So this bathroom's got nice tub and shower with a slider door on it, and a pretty good sized vanity. Really cool light fixture up there as well. Tile flooring on the bottom, and then as we come down to the end of the hall, we've got the main one of the main bedrooms here upstairs, mirrored closet that's actually quite deep, and then there's a lot of storage up there, and then I don't know if you can see up above, but you've got your attic access here in this closet as well. I did want to point out one of the coolest features of this home, I think, is just the light fixture. Like, is that not the coolest light fixture that you've ever seen? So plenty of room. This is a king-size bed with nightstands on either side, so there's a lot of space in that bedroom. And then adjacent to this bedroom is an additional bedroom, and as I mentioned, there's just trees out of every single window. So this one looks out to the backyard. Want to point out that most of the windows, I think all but one or two, are the new vinyl windows. So you've got pretty good insulation value on all the windows in the home. Of course, your double closet there, and then back out to the kitchen and dining area. And let's step downstairs and we'll show you that, and then I'll take you out to the backyard. So let's head downstairs. Again, this is a daylight basement, so you've got full windows. They're not window wells, but I'm turning downstairs and coming off here to the left. This is a really cool, thoughtful idea, but underneath the stairwell, there's so much, because you got the stairs going up or the stairs going down, is to make use of that space. But you have, you know, like this kind of decorated as like a children's room here, but it could be a storage area or a playroom or whatever, but a lot of uses just for that space there. And then it opens up into this big, beautiful family room here with the original wood burning stove, which I think is kind of a nice touch. So you've got a nice wood burning stove there and the daylight bay window looking out towards the front yard. And then you even have over here, this family room goes back a little bit deeper and you've got a window looking out to the backyard. So you've got plenty of seating here, plenty of space to entertain. It's really a nice space down here. And then as we come down the hall, so we've got our stairs to the right, and then to the left is a really big utility room. So this is where you've got your water heater and your furnace and everything here. I did want to point out that you do have access to the backyard, so you have separate access to the backyard. So if one wanted to convert this to a separate dwelling unit down here in the basement, I suppose you could do so. This room could even be converted into like a small kitchenette or something like that. But you do have room for, here's where what would be the washer and dryer, the laundry room, but it could be converted into a kitchenette, as could, if you go down back to the family room, you could maybe do something with this space here if you wanted to really separate this off into separate living quarters. And then we've got our bedrooms down here at the end of the hall. So right at the end, we've got this bedroom, pretty standard. Again, looks out to the backyard, nice closet space. And then we've got the fourth bedroom down here. Again, brand new windows or newer vinyl windows and pretty good sized rooms actually. And then finally, you've got your main bathroom downstairs on the main level. And this has, you know, painted cabinetry, the Corian sink, vinyl flooring, and then you've just got like a little, just a walk-in shower there, main room. And then we'll come back out here. Of course, we've got like a little additional storage. There's lots of closet space and storage and under the stair storage throughout the whole house. So plenty of room for everything. But yeah, let's step upstairs and I'll take you out to the deck in the backyard. Okay, so now we're gonna come out into the backyard from this converted sunroom, and we'll just open the door and step out onto this beautiful balcony. And this is a great balcony. You have such great views here, and you're able to entertain or even just, you know, set up a barbecue or perhaps just relax on those nice warm summer evenings. And of course, you're looking out to the whole backyard. And I did want to point out that we have a couple of different sheds here. So there's two pretty good sized sheds in this backyard. And in the back of that first shed, there's actually a chicken coop if you wanted to have chickens. But like I said, a good sized backyard. Coming around here, we do have some firewood back there along the fence if you wanted to use that into your wood burning stove or in your wood burning stove. But now we'll go ahead and we'll step downstairs and check out the garage. Okay, so this of course is the door to the back door to the garage, and you step into the garage. It's really a good sized garage, sheetrocked on all sides. It's fairly wide and especially deep for a two-car garage, so there's lots of space inside. I did want to point out here that there's this really interesting artifact. It's actually a safe to store your valuables, fireproof safe to keep stuff inside. I'm not sure why they put it there, but if you want to store your prized possessions, that's definitely the place to do it. But anyway, we'll go ahead and we'll step back outside into the backyard. And I just wanted to point out here the two sheds that exist. This is the first one in the far back corner of the yard. Perfect place to store tools, etc. And then if we just turn around here, you can see on the side of the yard, there probably is enough space for like small RV parking, maybe perhaps a tent trailer or something like that. I don't know that you're gonna get a 30-foot fifth wheel in there, but you can certainly fit something back there. And now we'll spin back around. Let me just show you over here on the side of this shed, we actually have a chicken coop there. So if you wanted to raise chickens, there's the perfect spot to do it there, right on the back side of that shed. And then we have a second shed more towards the center of the yard, and it's about the same size, both really pretty roomy inside and plenty of space to store gardening tools or just extra storage at the house. But overall, yeah, it's a pretty good sized yard. Did want to point out here that that door back there, that's the door to the bottom level. So if you wanted to access the bottom level, you would do so from there. So there you have it, our newest listing, 8801 West Fircrest Drive in Boise. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at the contact information shown, or if you'd like additional information, you can find us on our website at platinumidaho.com. Thanks for watching.